Welcome to Level Up Edutainment, where we share valuable insights from some of the best minds in business, self-development, and philosophy through our concise and digestible summaries.
Today, I want to talk about a book that has stood the test of time and has helped millions of people around the world to succeed in their personal and professional lives. This book is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Carnegie wrote this book over 80 years ago, and it is still relevant today. The book teaches us how to deal with people in a way that makes them want to work with us, help us, and be our friends. It's not about manipulation or trickery, but rather about building strong and positive relationships that can help us achieve our goals. 1. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. One of the biggest takeaways from this book is that criticizing, condemning, or complaining about others is never a good idea. It only creates resentment and makes people defensive. Instead, Carnegie recommends being understanding and empathetic towards others. This means putting yourself in their shoes and seeing things from their perspective. For example, let's say your colleague is always late for meetings. Instead of criticizing them, try to understand why they might be late and offer to help them find a solution. 2. Give honest and sincere appreciation. Everyone wants to feel appreciated and valued. Carnegie emphasizes the importance of giving honest and sincere appreciation to others. This means genuinely recognizing their efforts and contributions, and not just giving empty compliments. For example, if your team member completes a project ahead of schedule, take the time to acknowledge their hard work and congratulate them on a job well done. 3. Become genuinely interested in others. People are naturally drawn to those who show an interest in them. Carnegie encourages us to ask questions and listen to others with genuine curiosity. This means not just waiting for your turn to talk, but actively engaging with others and trying to learn from them. For example, if you are at a networking event, instead of just handing out business cards, take the time to learn about other people's interests and experiences. 4. Smile and be friendly. Carnegie emphasizes the importance of being approachable and friendly to others. This means smiling, using people's names, and finding common ground. A simple smile and a friendly demeanor can go a long way in making others feel comfortable and willing to engage with you. 5. Win people over to your way of thinking. Carnegie teaches us that the best way to win people over to our way of thinking is not through argument or debate, but through empathy and understanding. This means taking the time to understand other people's perspectives and finding common ground. For example, if you are trying to convince your boss to implement a new policy, instead of just arguing your point, try to understand their concerns and work together to find a solution that works for everyone. If you enjoyed this episode, remember to like, share, and subscribe to us. If you are interested in getting the book for yourself, check out the links in our description box below.